Told her to tell me them pretty lies. Okay, okay, ride, okay, okay, slide, okay, okay. She told me put my pride to the side, okay. Said that she ride, okay, I'll let it slide, okay. Then she proceeded to tell me them pretty lies, okay. I wanna vibe, okay. Said I'm the guy, okay. But I knew that she had other boys to the side, okay. She told me lies, okay. Them pretty lies, okay. I'm in a phantom, I'm parked up, I'm right outside, baby.
Boss baby is working. Okay, boss baby. Tell the people what you're doing.
I'm working.
What are you doing right now?
Putting the tops on the chapsticks.
Wow. What flavors do you have?
I got grape.
Show them the grape. Wow. What else?
Apple.
Yes. And what else?
And lemonade.
Okay. And what else?
And
What's the pink one? What's the pink one?
watermelon. Don't put too much, mommy. Don't put too much, mom. Okay, now's your turn.
This is a day in the life of a mompreneur. These are unsellable. When the lip gloss doesn't go all the way to the bottom and there's an air pocket, I don't sell these. I keep them for myself. So I use this tray, so when I fill them and they only fill halfway, I sit them here without the top so that they can go all the way down. And then these are just refilled. Yeah, that's pretty much what I do all day. Different fruit slices, my bottles that I have the water in them. It's like hot water and alcohol that I use to sanitize them before filling. And this is pretty much what I do all day. Okay, so these I buy from the Dollar Tree. And I just throw them away when I'm done because it's too hard to clean the gloss out of them. This is reusable. It's just a little spatula to get all the excess out of the bowls. And these syringes are the best. The bigger ones, the small ones take too long. But once the fruit gets stuck in them, you gotta toss them because it's like a hassle. But they're disposable, so I normally just buy a pack of syringes whenever I'm packaging. Here's our current inventory. These are freebies because they don't fill all the way, or I just keep them for me and Janai to sample. We have the matte lipsticks, all different colored glosses, different scents. We have lip scrubs. This is a matte lipstick sample. This is Tropical Punch. This is Pink Lemonade and Cotton Candy. Pink Lemonade at the top, Cotton Candy at the bottom. I'm really loving the two-tone ones. I want to do more of those.